Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Excessive2 and today we're going to be fixing my quick release kit on my bumper because, funny story, I was driving on the freeway on Valentine's Day to San Francisco. It was far and my bumper was coming off on the sides. I don't know why. Well, I did figure out why, but I just need to buy some stuff to fix it. And we will going to be doing that right now. And I'm also going to tell you guys about how to prevent that while doing the quick release kit on the bumper. So I'm going to be telling you guys how to fix it and how to prevent doing that when installing it. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to go get some coffee and then we will go buy something from the store and then we'll start doing that right now. Alright guys, so that's the part that's messed up. It's not on straight and I will show you guys why it is like that. Alright you guys, so how it all started was I hit something under my car and there was a plastic piece that came off. So since the plastic piece came off, it was connected to my bumper. So my bumper was holding on to less stuff now and is going to probably because now that plastic piece came off. So it's only going to be holding on to that, these, and right there. And that is why, part of the reason why it came off right here and on the inside right there. So I'm just gonna pop it off like that, and I'm gonna take the whole bumper off, or maybe like half of the bumper, because I'm gonna have to work on it right over here. So yeah, so these two, the bolts on this side right here. Here, let me focus more. So yeah guys, these two, see how it's loose right here? Super loose. You don't want that, see? Because the bolts don't have Loctite on it, so I got Loctite. But there's one bolt on the other side that hold it in place so it doesn't come loose, and that bolt doesn't have Loctite either. So it forced this that's holding on to this black button to pop out. So the black button kept popping out on the freeway. So now I have to put Loctite inside there. But yeah guys, that's the sucky part about having a low car, is you hit stuff super low and it affects your whole bumper. But yeah guys, imagine that, driving on the side of the freeway, or on the freeway, and pulling over on the side of the road, seeing half of your bumpers off, and you have a full street aero kit that you don't want to get hurt, you don't want anything to go wrong with your bumper, and then that happens. So now I need to fix it. Hey guys, so the bumper's off, and I took these two parts off right here, off of there, so that I can get the bolt in. Yeah, see how loose it is? You don't want that. And I'm gonna have to tighten that up. But yeah, so basically how the quick release kit works is these two buttons. You have to drill into your bumper for this, but these two buttons should push into here, and this is a bracket that comes with it. They have to install on the stock bracket. So yeah, this is aftermarket bracket, and then you just put these two kind of buttons on and you push it in and it holds your bumper together. But I need to tighten that right now. And guys, these are the two plastic pieces that came below my car when I hit something, and I had to pull over on the side of the road and rip them off. So that was connected to my bumper actually. So that's kind of what jerked that quick release kit to come off a little. So yeah, that's driving low for you. So see how I kind of loosened up the bolts? I'm gonna put Loctite in between there, so that, and I got the removable Loctite thread locker, and it's the blue one because it's not the permanent one, because you want to be able to take this off if you do ever want to take it off. But yeah, you just put Loctite between there and there, and you actually also put Loctite in these screws too right here that go into these two buttons. So yeah, you want to use a lot of Loctite to prevent this scenario to happen. Because if you don't use the Loctite, the bolts will come off easily. And I guess I didn't put enough last time, that's why it came off. Alright guys, so I finished putting Loctite on and I tightened it pretty tight. And see how you want them even so that it sits flush. So you want these two to be even so that the whole fender sits flush with the over fender. So, oh yeah guys, so I don't think I've ever shown you my blowout valve. So that's the Turbo XS blowout valve, and you have to take the whole bumper off to get to it. So yeah, as you can see, it is pretty simple to install. You just need that hose connected to that hose, and you have to replace the blowout valve, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not much to it other than taking the whole bumper off to install the blowout valve. But there it is, the Turbo XS blowout valve. A lot of you have been asking about it, so there you see it. And there you guys go. It sits flush with the fender. And I'm actually happy this happened because I got to fix it. Before, there was a gap right here that I did not really care for, but now it's super flush and it is perfect. I'm super happy about this. Hopefully it doesn't pop off, but it is literally perfect fitment, guys. Look at that. That's perfect. Kim, clean your car, clean your car. I know, guys. I need to clean my car. I already know what you guys are saying. All you haters out there, clean your car, Kim, clean your car. Look at the K&N air intake, the Megan Racing strut bar looking super dirty. I need to clean all this stuff. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just putting up my bumper on. And actually, about the air intake, sometimes you do need to clean it up a bit. It's under this thing, the cover. But you sometimes do want to either replace the air intake or you want to either replace the air intake or you want, I forgot the word, kind of refresh it. I don't know. But I usually just replace it. I just want to buy. Oh, there's Bailey. Comes out of nowhere. Sorry guys, Bailey came out of nowhere. But as I was saying, sometimes you can use this specific oil or like cleaner to either, I don't know how to explain it, it like revives the air intake. But I don't use it. I tried it once, but it didn't work out too well. So I just replaced the air intake. So, or just the filter at least, not the whole air intake, just the filter. But I usually just replace every like year or maybe 6 months. It's good to do that. I need to get on that. But yeah, guys, I'm about to, guys, I always forget that this is on, so my bumper always stays on, and then I'm like, what's holding it together? But it's actually the tow hook, the white cheesy tow hook. But yeah, guys, it looks super flush. I'm super happy. So I'm just gonna finish up putting my bumper on. Oh yeah, guys, you didn't even see the amazing Excessive 2 front end. Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? Because remember in my last video, if you didn't watch, I forgot the license plate and I was about to put it on in the parking garage, but I finally put it on and it looks pretty cool. But yeah, guys, it looks like everything went well. It sits super flush and it is sitting low, so that's why a lot of this stuff happened. So yeah, the two pieces that came off 2 days before this incident in San Francisco, these two came off under there, and I had to rip these off in the middle of the side of the road because they didn't really mean anything. So I'm gonna probably throw those away. But yeah, then like 2 days later we're in San Francisco, and then my part was coming off right here, so I was like, that's no good. So for like a week or maybe less, I was driving super slow, and if I drove fast then it would come off again. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about the quick release kit, you can always comment down below or DM me in my Instagram, excessive2. But yeah, so you basically just want to put the bracket on first, and then you drill the holes. Make sure to like put chalk or something on the bracket to line it up with the front bumper, because you want it the first time right to drill into your bumper. So yeah, make sure to put like chalk on the bracket and then line it up with the bumper, and then like outline it kind of so you know where to drill. And it's a one-shot kind of thing, so you have to be perfect with this. I'm super lucky I was perfect with drilling into my bumper. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comments below. Like my video if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, my bumper's only holding on by these 4 bolts and then the quick release. So this is basically nothing. This is just plastic. But that's pretty much it, guys. I really want to get a max solenoid to increase my boost levels. It's somewhere over there that you install it. You can also get an oil catch can. A lot of Velocitors install it right here because there's a lot of space right there. But I pretty much just have the air intake and the blow-off valve, and then the strut bar in my engine bay. That green battery's got to go for shows. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I got the license plate on in the front, and that is the quick release kit and how to prevent it. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm excessive2, and bye.